So this is what I'm going to be using. I got this on Amazon for like $15. If you guys are interested, I will link this in the description box. You can use the French press. Whatever you use is fine for making black coffee, just regular black coffee. So I'm going to, I have these little scoops, so I'm just going to put 4 of these scoops. That's just, I just like intense flavor, and that's just how much I use. Basically 4 tablespoons of coffee or so. And this one is decaf. And I'm going to get my boiled water. And this is just going to drain and do its job. While this is doing its job draining slowly, we are going to prepare our almond milk. This one is 30 calories, so we're going to be using 1 cup, which is 30 calories, and it does not have any carbs. So we have 1 carb and then fiber, which equals to 0 net carbs. So this is amazing. We only need 1 cup. Whoops, here goes the lid. That's 1 cup roughly. I measured out before, so by this line is about 1 cup. I'm also going to put large handful or so ice. So this is the brand I'm using. This is stevia. This one is in little packets, but I also got it in a powder form, just like this. So I'm just going to be using 2 teaspoons. So now we're going to pour it inside our beautiful Starbucks plastic cup. So here we go. Okay. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm also going to get vanilla extract. I'm just maybe like 1 teaspoon, just a little bit, little dab is fine. And this one is unsweetened. I'm using stevia because I am very reactive to other sweeteners. And it just doesn't go well ever. This is so good. Cheers. Let me know if you try it.